Hello, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel training. In this video, we are going to be looking at the MAXIFS function. The MAXIFS function is a statistical function, and this function is used to return the maximum largest value from a range that meets one or more specific criteria. So for MAXIFS, it takes multiple criteria. So you start from one and as much as you want to provide. Now this function is useful for finding the highest value based on specific criteria such as the highest sales in a region or the maximum score of students who passed an exam. So the syntax is simply going to be MAXIFS equals MAXIFS. You pick your max range, the criteria range, the first criteria range. The max range will be numbers. The numbers you're trying to find the maximum value from. The criteria will be the criteria you're using to do your max finding. And then, that's the criteria range. Then you will provide the criteria. So you have max range, criteria range, and criteria. And if you're trying to go for the second criteria, you put criteria 2 and the criteria. So as much as you have. The key features here is that it finds maximum value based on multiple conditions. It supports number, text, and logical operators. It works well with conditional analysis in sales, finance, and statistics. Of course, for finding the maximum without condition. So if you want to find maximum number without condition, you should use the max function. MAXIFS is a powerful function for conditional maximum value analysis in Excel. So let's go into the Excel sheet to see how this works. So we have this sample here, sample data here, and we have some products here. So we want to get the maximum based on each of these products that we have here. So it's more or less like trying to get maximum value of all the carrot sales, what is the highest of all of them. Then for broccoli and so on. So the function will be equals MAXIFS. So you have max range. I said it will be the value where you have the numbers. The criteria range, so this criteria is product. So we're going to pick the product range. And then the criteria itself will be carrots, so that we can copy for every other value. And then, of course, you can see that we have for broccoli, we have for banana, and so on. Okay? So if you like, you can specify the range from B1, B2 to B whatever, or D1 to D something. So, but if you don't have any other type of data at the bottom of your data set, then you can easily just reference the column by clicking on the column header. That's what gave me D to D, and then column header B to B. And then, of course, I referenced this as my criteria. So this is maximum sales for each of the products. So see you in another session when we'll be looking at another function. Bye for now.